three things that make a tiles to fall off from the wall after installation. Number one is if the wall is already painted. As you can see now, this one is already painted. The wall is painted, although it's a rough wall. The paint is very rough, but you don't install tiles in a painted wall even though it's rough, because at a point the paint will begin to pull off. Therefore pulling the tiles too. As you can see, come and see. As you can see the thing is pulling off, and gradually now it will fall down. Then the second one is if the wall is well shined. When the thing is being plastered, if the wall is well shined, it's not good. While they are plastering the wall, you have to ensure that the wall is rough plastered, so that while installing the tiles will gum with the wall. Make sure the wall is roughly plastered, so that after installation the tiles will be intact. And the number three reason why tiles fall off after installation is that if this tiles now is not well soaked in water, if the tiles is not well soaked in water, then after a month or 2 months of installation, the tiles may begin to fall off, because before install this wall tiles, you need to soak it in water for about 3 hours to 2 hours. That is the perfect way of doing it, for about 3 hours to 2 hours, so that the tiles, if you add adhesive, it will gum well with the wall. As you can see, this one now is pulling out. It's pulling out. Oh, it's a pity. It's pulling out. Because of this very one you are seeing now is that there is already paint here. There is a paint. Although the paint is rough, but it's not supposed to be done like this. It's not supposed to be done like this. If you want to install tiles, first of all, ensure that the wall is plastered roughly. That's the first point. That this wall now is plastered roughly. Then second point, make sure that the tiles is well soaked on water. Make sure that this tiles is soaked on water for the duration of 2 to 3 hours. Minimum of 2 to 3 hours. So that the tiles will gum very well with the adhesive. Then finally, make sure the adhesive is very strong. If the adhesive is very strong and this wall now is rough, this one is paint, not a rough wall. If the wall is rough, that is, I assure you that nothing on this earth will make the tiles to fall off again. Thank you.